Dear girls, today I will tell you about zero of the polynomial. Then, what is zero of the polynomial? The real number or the value for which the polynomial becomes zero, that value is called as zero of the given polynomial. See here one example. If p of x is a polynomial, if p of a is equal to 0, after putting a value in p of x, then the polynomial p of x having the 0 as a. We have to say like this. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿದಾಗ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಆ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ದ ಜೀರೋ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವಿಗೆ ಆ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ದ ಉತ್ತರ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಜೀರೋ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಆ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ದ ಜೀರೋ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. Now we will understand this concept by taking few examples. Zero of the polynomial. See here, p of x is equal to 5x plus 2 is a given example. What is that? P of x is equal to 5x plus 2. See here, p of x will become 0. Like that value we have to put in the 5x plus 2. For which value the p of becomes 0? See, x is equal to minus 2 divided by 5 I will take. Is equal to this value we have to put in this 5x plus 2. Minus 2 divided by 5. x ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು minus 2 divided by 5 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Is equal to 5 into minus 2 divided by 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 5 ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್, minus 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2. ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ಬರೀರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ minus 2 ಅನ್ನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಬೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 minus 2 ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಫಾರ್ ವಿಚ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 0? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು minus 2 divided by 5. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಇದು minus 2 divided by 5 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. 0 of the polynomial means is equal to 0. We have to take 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 5x you keep here only on the LHS side. Plus 2 we have to take on the RHS. See, 5x is equal to plus 2 will become minus 2. So now 5x, see here in the 5x, x you keep here only and 5 you take on that side, it will become divided by minus 2 divided by 5. This value we have to put in 5x plus 2 so that the p of x becomes 0. Okay. Next few examples. See how in your examination the question will be asked. Find the 0 of the polynomial. Or another one question, check whether 2 is the 0 of the polynomial or not. 2 is the 0 of the polynomial or not means you have to put the given value in the given p of x. So that we have to get 0 as a answer. Next, see, find the 0 of the polynomial. See here, for this one, 2x plus 3 we have to take is equal to 0. Okay. 2x you keep here only, take 3 that side, it will become minus 3. X keep here only, you take 2 that side, it will become divided by minus 2 divided by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, got it? See how to find out the 0. Now next, check whether 2 is the 0 of the polynomial or not. See, this 2 value we have to put in p of x are they given. So, see, p of 2 we have to write. See here, p of 2 is equal to, in the place of x, what the given value we have to write. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕಳೆದಾಗ ಉತ್ತರ 0 ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. So, if we got the value equal to 0, then 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Yes. Okay. 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Next one, see. P of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. See. ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 ಎಷ್ಟು? 4. Is it 0? No. 4 is not 0. 4 is 4 only. So, no. This is not the 0 of the polynomial. 2 is not the 0 of the polynomial. P of x is equal to 2 plus 2. Okay? Like this, you have to solve the examples. Okay? See now, few more examples. Find the value of the polynomial. This is same as last one only. See, p of x is equal to x square plus 4x plus 5 at x is equal to 2. They given. X value they given. X value we have to put in the, where we see here x, in the variable x. P of 2 is equal to 2. See, x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನ್ನ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 5. x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನು ತುಂಬ್ರಿ. 4 into 2 plus 5. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ is equal to 2 into 2. 2 ದ ಘಾತ 2 ಅಂದರೆ 2 into 2. 4 plus 4 into 2 how much? 8 plus 5. Now you calculate what is the sum here. 4 plus 8 12. 12 plus 5 how much? 17. See here. This is the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2. This is the answer. 17 is the answer. For which value? X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 ಅನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿದಾಗ 17 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ p of t is equal to t square plus 12. Then find p of 2. See here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ t ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? t ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ p of 2 ಅಂದರೆ t ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ p of 2 is equal to t square ಅಂದರೆ 2 square. ಸಿ 2 square ಪ್ಲಸ್ 12 ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್. 2 into 2 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. What is the answer? 16. Okay. By understanding all the examples, you solve the exercise 2.2. If you not understand anything, ask me. Okay? Thank you.